Hi, I'm Ray, one of Bosch's product experts, and this is the Unlimited 7 Aqua Cordless 2-in-1 Vacuum and Mop. If you have a mix of floors, this award-winning, versatile and stylish model is your all-in-one solution for keeping everything spotless. Since this product cleverly combines 2 cleaning steps into one, you'll save time and enjoy a more efficient cleaning experience. With up to 40 minutes of runtime on a single charge, there's plenty of power to give your home a thorough clean. And thanks to our Power for All battery system, you can interchange this model's battery across a number of other appliances. The 2-in-1 dynamic Aqua Mop Head simultaneously combines strong suction to lift dust and debris with 2 power spinning pads that scrub away tough stains using fresh water. The water is supplied from the automatic water dosage system, which makes sure the pads get just the right amount of moisture as they spin. This reduces the time it takes for your floors to dry, whilst also ensuring an immaculate finish. The pads are quick to remove and machine washable too. And with 4 of them included, you'll always have a clean set ready when it's time to refresh your floors. This model is just as powerful as a corded vacuum cleaner, thanks to its second floor head, the all-floor dynamic power brush. It uses a motor to remove 99.9% of dust. Plus, it's got built-in LED lights to help you spot every speck of dirt. You'll love the anti-hair tangle feature. The specially designed cleaner head has a large brush diameter, which combined with the powerful suction makes light work of picking up hair and pet fur. The AutoDetect feature automatically senses the floor type and adjusts the power accordingly, saving you lots of time and effort. Need to spot clean quickly? Just press the head foot release here to detach the tube from the cleaning head in seconds. The angle design of the tube also makes it easy to clean right up to tricky edges. You can rest the vacuum on a piece of furniture using the easy parking clip. It'll stay securely in place until you're ready to get back to it. When it comes to accessories, there's something for every job. A short crevice nozzle for tight corners, a long flexible crevice nozzle for those narrow spots, a 2-in-1 furniture brush and upholstery nozzle for blinds, cushions and sofas, and the dynamic Aqua Mop Head for hard floors. And finally, once you're finished cleaning, you can pop everything away on the wall-mounted docking station that comes included. It doubles up as a charging point and accessory storage for a neat and tidy finish. If you're searching for a complete cleaning companion to tackle both hard floors and carpets, look no further than the Bosch Unlimited 7 Aqua Cordless 2-in-1 Vacuum and Mop.